Namaste. Myself Om Prakash Kuryal, a yoga teacher in Mahatma Gandhi Institute for Culture Cooperation, a culture wing of High Commission of India, Trinidad and Tobago, Port of Spain. Today in this video, we will learn how to do Vakrasana. This asana has so many benefits for each and everyone, and there is few limitation of this asana. The limitation is only those who gone the abdominal surgery less than 6 months, please avoid this practice. Go under the guidance of your teacher or your doctor. Second limitation or contraindication, you can say, those who are having, especially a woman who is pregnant, try to avoid this practice. If you really want to do, please go under the guidance with your teacher. So this is a very simple asana in sitting posture, and this asana is very important, because by doing this practice, this asana, you can regulate your insulin in your body, and this asana is very good for the diabetic asana. So benefits are so many. I'll explain after the video, but first in this video we'll learn how to do Vakrasana. So relaxation sthiti is basically Dandasana, both legs apart with the little bit distance between both the feet, both the hands backward, palms finger pointed backward, and heading freely and relax in this posture. After the 3 deep breath or 1 minute, 2 minute relaxation, after that slowly join legs together, both the palms sideways of the body. This position called Dandasana. This was Siddha Dandasana, and this is the Dandasana. Normal breath here. From here, slowly fold your right leg at the knee. Don't take it very closer, just nearby to the knee. And right hand behind the body. Don't give full press on your right knee, right hand, just a support. Then stretch your left hand above your head with inhalation. Now slowly twist your body from here, then lock your right knee through your left elbow, stretch your left hand and try to reach your ankle joint or toes. If you are comfortable here, just hold it. If you are comfortable to go final pose, please go here and twist your spine as much as you can, face facing backward. Normal breath here, create more and more pressure on your tummy. Five to 10 seconds, hold in this posture minimum. Inhale, slowly come center, stretch your left hand above your head. Same way, come back. And then unfold the right leg and right hand side of the body. Then take your both hand behind the body and apart leg, relax for a while. Feel the changes in your body. Now same practice we'll do from left side. Again, join legs together. Both the palms side of the body. Now fold the left leg at the knee and left hand behind the body, finger pointed backward. With inhalation, place the right hand above the head and twist your body. Cross over the thigh, catch your ankle joint, face facing backward with a normal breath, eyes closed. After the 10 second, 5 second, with inhalation, release your hand up and exhale down, unfold a leg and relax and sit Dandasana, hanging freely, feel the changes inside your body through this practice. Now we'll come to the key point of this practice. While you're doing this posture, Vakrasana, that time your your feet supposed to be very close to the left knee. It's supposed not to be down, not the above that. So once it is here, that's good. So second thing, your knee supposed not to be like that, neither leaning this side. Some people do like this, pressing it. No, press it in minimum. The important thing is you have to twist your upper case of the body like this. From here, once you reach up, twist your body. Don't press it. You have to twist your spine. You have to squeeze your body fully like this. So once you have, just twist your body first, then easily you can go. But most of people just do like this, press this fully. You have to keep more attention here. You are going to be pressure on the tummy. Once you squeeze, it will automatically go there. Another thing, your elbow, right elbow straight, and you are not going to fully press this. No, just to support. So look at that. One more round will do. Now one breath. And relaxation is very important. Same thing we'll do from another side. Sorry. Steady. Turn left hand behind the body. Inhale. Up. Exhale. Twist your body first. And then go to the final posture. And hold the posture with normal breath. Eyes closed. Inhale, come center, lift your hand up and down and relax. So, relaxation is sitting Dandasana. So, we learn in this video how to do Vakrasana. This is very, very helpful asana for each and every individual. As we know, we complete our demonstration part of the Vakrasana, and now we'll come to the benefit and limitation, or you can say precaution or contraindication of this asana. So Vakra means twisted post. The Vakrasana word comes from the Sanskrit language, which means you can say Vakra means twisted, asana means pose. A twisted pose of the body is known as Vakrasana. So Vakrasana is a preparatory pose for the Ardha Matsyendrasana also and Matsyendrasana also. I'll explain in next video for the Matsyendrasana and Ardha Matsyendrasana. So now we'll focus on the little bit of the benefit of the Vakrasana. By the doing the Vakrasana, we can tone all the internal organs of the body, like especially in our stomach region. Second is it improve our digestion and remove the constipation. Once your digestion is good, automatically your constipation will go away from you. It is also good for our liver, and it improve our function of the pancreas, stimulated and relax our pancreas. And once our pancreas is working properly, definitely we are going to control the diabetes. So, and this asana, when you twist your body right or left, and in 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes in regular practice, it remove your side waist of the fat of the waist side way of the waist. And this asana
remove your little bit back pain also and other problems also. But most important in this asana generally we used to give for the diabetic patient, because this practice is very very effective for the those who suffering from the diabetes. Now we'll come to the contraindication or precaution or limitation of this asana. First is that those who had their surgery recently, less than 6 months, please avoid this practice. Pregnant women can do this practice, but only with guidance of the teacher or doctor, because you can do half to half but Vakrasana also with the beginner's pose. And those who have back injury, hip injury, knee injuries, shoulder, cervical and spondylitis in severe, please try to avoid this practice. And final is that if you are beginners, please go under the guidance of your yoga teacher, a therapist, or your your doctor, right? Yeah. So I wish you a happy and healthy life ahead, and God bless you. See you soon on next video. Namaste.